this is Kat and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cast on and knit using double point needles. Double point needles are really great for things like cup cozies, sleeves, or even hats and other things. They make this nice little tube. So an easy way to cast on using double point needles is to cast your stitches on one needle. So for this demonstration, let's cast on 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there's our 15 stitches. So with double point needles, you can knit using a total of 5 needles or 4. I like to use a total of 4 just because it's easier, I think, which means we'll be having all the stitches dispersed onto 3 needles, so 5 on each needle since we cast it on 15, and we'll be knitting with the 4th needle. So here's how I like to do that. I'll take 5 stitches from each end and place them on the other 2 needles. There's 5 on that needle. All right, so now we have 5 stitches on each of these 3 needles. This is how we're going to turn it. Here's our cast on edge. It needs to be on the inside of the needles. So you don't want your needles to be twisted in any way. There's the cast on edge neatly inside, forms a nice triangle. Your working yarn needs to be the needle on the right here. And you want to bring that tail out. Okay, let's move these stitches a little closer. So we're going to knit. When you first are learning, it's really kind of awkward. You don't know how to, it might be kind of tricky how to hold your fingers. But trust me that it'll eventually become super easy. Okay, so you could just like let your needles hang if you want. This is just how I have gotten used to holding them. So we're gonna do just basic knit stitches. We're gonna go in here. The working yarn is on this right needle. This is our working needle, the only needle that didn't have any stitches on it. We're gonna go inside the first stitch, which is the needle on the left side. We're going to take our working yarn and we're going to wrap it around that working needle. And pull kind of tight to secure that gap between the last stitch and the first stitch. Yarn behind the working needle. So you're knitting the 5 stitches on each needle and freeing up that next needle. This needle just had all those stitches, now it becomes the working needle. Turn, we're going to do the next needle. Oh, and I want to mention again how important it is to check your work and make sure that the cast on edge is inside the triangle. It's really important that your stitches are not twisted. Okay, so let's go ahead and knit this second needle. So yarn around working needle. And now this needle becomes my working needle. And I'm going to turn. Make sure my stitches are all inside still. Yep, or the cast on edge, I mean. Now we're going to knit this last needle. Okay, we have just knitted the full round. See how it's a little tube? I'm gonna go ahead and knit a few more rounds so you can see how it starts to look. All right, so there I did a few more rows, and that's how it looks. It's like a little tube. You're knitting in rounds instead of rows. Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope this video was helpful.